Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will model a premium faceted whiskey bottle in SolidWorks using lock, revolve, shelf, fillet and thread features. So let's get started. Click on File, New, Part, OK. Select the top plane, Sketch. Select the center rectangle. Click at the origin and start moving out. Go to Smart Dimension. Enter 70 mm. Now select the horizontal line and the vertical line. Make them equal. Exit the sketch. Go to Features, Reference Geometry, Plane. Select the top plane and enter 170 mm here. OK. Now select the plane, sketch. Select the circle and make a circle at the center, and for diameter enter 30 mm. Exit the sketch. Go to Features, Reference Geometry, Plane. Now select these diagonal points and top plane. Click OK and sketch. Select the plane 1 and hide it. Click on Convert Entities. Select this one and this one for construction. OK. Now select the center line, orientation vertical, infinite length and place it at the origin. OK. Now select line 1 and line 2. Click on Smart Dimension. Horizontal distance is 70 mm and the vertical distance is 105 mm. Select fillet radius 15 mm and click here. OK. Now select mirror entities and entities to mirror. Select this line, this fillet and this line mirror above this central vertical line. Click OK. Exit the sketch. Now select the plane 2 and hide it. Go to Features, Reference Geometry, Plane, and this time select these two diagonal points and top plane. Click OK and sketch. Select the center line, vertical, infinite length, place it at the origin. Click on Convert Entities, select this and this one for construction. OK. Now select line. Click on Smart Dimension. Enter 80 mm here. And 135 mm here. Click on fillet. 15 mm is fine. Okay. Now click on mirror entities. Select this line, this arc, and this line mirror about the center vertical line. Click OK. Exit the sketch. Select the plane number 3 and hide it. So as you can see on the screen, we have the profiles ready and the guiding curves. So go to Features, click on Lofted Boss Face, select both the profiles and guiding curves. Now click OK. Select the front plane, sketch. Center vertical line. place it at the origin. Okay, and now select line. Click on Smart Dimension. 43 mm, 90 mm, 25 mm, 5, 22 mm, enter 55 here. Go to Feature, click on Default Pathways and click OK. So we have our main body ready. Now click on shell thickness 3 mm and click on this top face and click here multi-thickness setting, enter. Okay, it's already 10 mm. So select the bottom face. Okay, now select the front plane, sketch. Okay, center line, vertical infinite length. Now select line and change the display style to hidden lines visible. Click on Smart Dimension, 30 mm, 5 mm, 25 mm, 18 mm, 22, 15 mm, 5, 25. Now select this point and this point, coincide them, click OK and Smart Dimension 7 mm. Now go to Features, click on Revolve Pathways and select OK. Now change the display style, select fillet 10 mm, select this bottom face, OK, select fillet, change the fillet radius to 5 mm and select these edges one by one. Okay, fillet radius 1 mm, select this edge, fillet again, radius 0.5 mm this time, select this face here, this one, and this edge. Click OK. Now select front plane and section view. Click OK. Fillet. Change the fillet radius to 1 mm. Select this space. Okay. Fill it. Enter 10 mm here. Select this bottom face. Okay. Come out of the section view. Change the display style. Fill it. 5 mm. And start selecting these edges one by one. Click OK. Select fillet one last time. Radius 0.5. Select this edge and click OK. Change the display style. Go to Hole Wizard, Thread, Thread Location. Select this edge. End condition, select this edge. Offset, 0.1, flip the offset direction. 24 becomes 0 is fine. Perfect, okay. Now click OK. So we have our bottle ready here. It's time to give it an appearance. Glass, pure, clear. Click on reflective clear glass. Okay. Let's change the background, plain white, and display style shaded. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, our whiskey bottle model is now ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.